Hi everybody, my name is Master Kelly and I want to welcome you guys to our 6-week White Belt Martial Arts program. This is for somebody who's never done martial arts before, so if you're brand new to doing this and you don't even know what it is, today and all the next 6 weeks I'm going to show you how to become a really awesome martial artist, okay? Now before we get started, I want to establish a few rules. Rule number 1, make sure you guys have water near you, okay? That way when you have a water break, we don't waste any time and you can get a quick sip and come right back into the class, okay? Rule number 2, make sure you have a wide open space. It doesn't have to be crazy big, but make sure you don't hit anybody next to you, right? You don't want to kick a furniture, you don't want to kick a table or hit a couch or accidentally hurt somebody. So be very careful, make sure you have nice wide open space, okay? Now rule number 3 is whenever I ask you guys a question, I want you guys to respond and say yes sir. So everyone say yes sir for me. You guys don't sound that excited. You don't really want to do this. Can you say yes sir louder? Say yes sir.
Yes sir.
Awesome, good job. Okay, now before we do the warm-up today, I wanted you guys to meet someone really special. He's a longtime student of mine and his name is Dojo the monkey. Come here Dojo. Awesome, good. Dojo, can you say hi?
Hi everybody, I'm Dojo.
Awesome. So Dojo, he's been with me for a long time, about 3 years. Dojo is an orange belt. Okay, that means he knows his stuff, right? Now, unfortunately, something really bad happened to Dojo. There's an evil scientist named Dr. Fist. Now, Dr. Fist has a liking for stealing people's stuff. He likes to steal people's stuff and be really mean. And what he did is he stole Dojo's very first white belt. Now, this means a lot to Dojo, and we call this a memento. A memento is something that you use to remember something. So for example, you might have a family picture in your house. I have a family picture, you guys can see right there. That's a good picture to help you remember of moments, right? So you have different photos of different moments. This can also be a favorite toy. You know, some of you guys might have a favorite toy or like a blanket that you've had since you were little, right? Or maybe you still have a blanket and it means a lot to you, right? What happened is that Dr. Fist stole Dojo's very special memento. And it's up to us to help him get it back, okay? Now here's how we can do that today. I'm going to go show you guys our interactive map. Awesome. Okay, so on this map, you are going to see different levels of the classes that we are going to do. Now our job is to complete every single level by watching all the videos to eventually take on a showdown with Dr. Fist himself. Now over the next 6 weeks, I'm going to show you guys different moves, different ninja combinations, so that way when it's time to fight Dr. Fist, we're ready to fight him and conflict with him, so that way we can get Dojo's belt back. Okay, does that make sense? Everyone say yes sir if you're ready to start. Say yes sir. That's not very loud. Yes sir. Awesome. All right, Dojo's going to go ahead and go back with his other monkey friends over there. All right, see you later Dojo. Everyone say bye Dojo. Awesome, good, good. All right, you guys, we're going to start with jumping jacks, okay? Now, we're going to learn Korean words as well. So let's go ahead and practice our Korean. We're going to count to 5 in Korean. So everyone repeat after me. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's start with the warm-up doing jumping jacks. Repeat nice and loud after me. Ready? And 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and start swinging our arms backwards. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. All right, going the other way now. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and feet apart. Legs, knees bent, hands on your knees. Turn your shoulder to one way. Good. All right, repeat after me. Say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. All right, let's go the other way now. Repeat after me. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, arms crossed, head down to the middle. Good. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Awesome. All right, shake out your hands, shake it all out, shake it all out. Good. All right, when I say chariot, feet together, hands at your side, just like this. Let's use the fastest. Chariot. Nice, okay, now we're gonna bow. When I say Kenya, we're gonna bow our head and you're going to look at your heart, okay? The reason why you look at your heart is because as a martial artist, you're gonna learn how to do some dangerous stuff. You're gonna learn how to punch and kick, right? Now these things can be used for bad reasons. So we're gonna bow and look at our heart to make the promise that we'll only use it for self-defense and to defend others, right? So you're going to promise to be nice, okay? So when we bow, you're going to make that promise. Ready? Kanye? Awesome, good. And my promise to you is to be the best teacher for you to make sure you understand how to do the things. That's my promise, okay? All right, you guys, when I say chariyat, feet together. Chariyat? Good, awesome. When I say fighting stance, we're going to take this leg, take it back, put our hands on our face. Ready? Fighting stance. Awesome, good job. Okay, we're going to take our left hand, go and stick it out in front of you just like this. This is called the jab. Everyone say jab. Good, awesome. All right, now we're going to take our right hand. We're going to switch hands. Everyone say cross. Good, good. Notice how I'm twisting this back leg, okay? Ready? Now let's do that fast. Everyone show me. Jab. Good. Cross. Good. Jab. Cross. Good. Jab. Cross. Nice. Okay, go and pull that hand back. Now this time we're going to bounce on our feet just like this, okay? So when I say jab, we're going to throw a quick jab out and back. Ready? Let's use fast. Ready? Jab. Nice. Good. Now other hand now. Cross. Good. Nice. Twisting those hips. Ready? Go. Jab. Nice work. Cross. Good. Again. Jab. Good. Cross. 2 more times. Jab. Good. Cross. Good. Awesome. Good. Now this time we're going to do double jab. So when I say go, bang, bang. 2 jabs just like that. Ready? And go. Double jab. Good. Ready? Go. Double jab. Good. Nice. Go. Double jab. Good. 1 more time. Go. Double jab. Nice. Very good job. Give me a high five. Boom. Good. Okay. Now this time we're going to go double jab, cross. Okay? So 3 total punches. Double jab, cross. Okay, let's try that together. Ready? Hands up here and go. Double jab, cross. Nice. Good work. And go. Double jab, cross. Good. Good job. Go. Double jab, cross. Nice. Good job. Couple more times. Go. Double jab, cross. Good. 1 more. Go. Double jab, cross. Good work. Good work. Awesome. Okay, now this time we're going to work on some kicks. Okay? We're going to work on push kick. Everyone together say push kick. Good, good. So push kick, all you're going to do is take your back leg, bend your knee, and you're going to step out. Boom, just like that. Okay? So here's what we're going to practice. Go ahead, have your hands up like this. Good, nice. Start bouncing on your feet. We're going to do this leg first. Pick up your leg, push kick, push kick. Nice, good, good, pretty good. Ready? And push kick. Nice, nice, good job. Push kick. Good, good, good. Push kick. Nice, good. All right, let's use this leg now. Ready? And push kick. Good, good job. Push kick. Good, good job. Push kick. Good, good. 1 more. Push kick. Nice, good job, you guys. High five. Ah, that's too slow. Let's try a little faster. High five. Ah, that's too slow. Ready? High five. Nice, good job, good job. All right, Chariyat. Good. All right, I want you to stay super still. Don't move a muscle. Don't move. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move, don't move no matter what. Don't move no matter what. Did you move? You better not have moved. Don't move. Okay, good. Awesome. All right. Ready? We're going to do a little game. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold this shield just like this. Okay? Now, when I get close enough to the screen, I want you guys to push kick, but don't actually hit your screen. Okay? Get close enough, but don't actually hit it. Push kick, and you guys will send me flying back if you do it correctly. So let's try that together. You guys have your hands up like this? Good. Okay, when I get close enough, throw a push kick. Ready? Push kick. Bang, good. Nice, nice, good job. Let's try it again. Ready? Push kick. Bang, good. Nice, nice, very good. Keep those hands on the face. Keep those hands up. Ready? And push kick. Bang, good. Nice. 1 more. Let's see if you can knock me over. You guys think you're strong enough to knock me over? Really? Say yes, sir, if you think you can. Awesome. Okay, ready, set, go. Push kick. Whoa. Oh, man. Ooh, that was really close. Good work. High five. Awesome, awesome. Good job. All right, you guys. So we're going to play a really awesome, fun game called the switch game. Now, here's how the switch game works. Before we do that, I'm going to show you guys how to switch. So go ahead and have your hands up like your fighting stance, just like this. Awesome. All right, when I say switch, switch your feet. Ready? Switch. Good. Switch. Good. Switch. Good. Switch. Good. Awesome. Okay, now this time, when I clap my hands, I want you to switch. If I don't clap them, don't switch. It's a trick. Understand? Okay, so let's practice this game. Ready? And switch. 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 Oh, if I caught you. Okay, if I caught you, don't make me catch you next time. So listen very carefully for the switch, okay? All right, ready? And switch. Good, switch. Oh, not bad. Make sure I don't catch you. Switch. Oh, not bad. Ready? Hands up here. Switch. Good. Switch. 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 Okay, good job. Not bad. High five. Good. Down low. Too slow. Down low. Too slow. Down low. Nice. Good job. Good job. Awesome. Okay. Here's what we're going to do next. We're going to do some push-ups with Supermans. Okay? We're going to be strong like Superman. So here's what I want you to do. Drop down into push-up just like this. Feet apart. Hands like this. Good. Awesome. We're going to do 10 push-ups on my count. I want you guys to repeat after me. Ready? Everyone say, Hana. Good. I can't hear you. Make sure you're louder than me. Ready? Do it. Good. Set. Good. Net. Good. Toss it. Is there something on my back? Dojo, what are you doing? Dojo, get off. All right. Oh, well. Ready? Net. Good. Toss it. Good. Yas it. Good. Here we go. Oh, this monkey's heavy. You there? Good. A hope. And you're. Good job. Awesome. Now, I know some of those words were words you haven't learned yet. Don't worry. I wanted to see if you guys can try it. Okay? That was up to 10. We learned 5, but let's try 10. Okay? All right. Now, this time, we're going to do Supermans. Okay? So just like this. Okay? We're going to do 5. Okay? 2 times just to get you guys to do the numbers. Okay? So hands out in front like this. When I say go, you're going to pick yourself up. Ready, Dojo, go back to class. Thank you. Thank you, Dojo. All right, ready? And up. All right, you guys say, repeat after me. Say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Yas it. Go. You there. A hope. Yeah, and down. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Awesome, awesome
Master
work.
Kelly?
What was that, Dojo?
I'm so thirsty.
You thirsty? Okay. If you guys need some water, I'm going to give you guys about 20 seconds. Get a very quick sip of water, and then come right back here. I'll see you guys soon. All right, you guys, welcome back. Wait, you guys hear that? Oh, no. Uh-oh. Looks like we're going to have to do the tennis ball game. So here's what we're going to do. There are going to be tennis balls coming on either side of the screen and underneath. What you guys got to do with me is we got to either squat or jump. Now, when you squat, you want to have a good tall back, feet apart, hands just like this, and make sure you go really deep. Okay, when we jump now, we're going to pick up our knees just like that, okay? All right, ready? Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and duck. Nice, good job, duck. Good, duck. Good job, and jump. Nice, good work, jump. Good, jump. Good, all right, ready? Duck. Good, duck. Good, duck. Good, jump. Good, duck. Good, good work. Duck. Good, jump. Good, jump. Good, jump. Good, jump. Good, duck. Good, duck. Jump. Good, jump. Good, duck. One more, jump. Nice, good job, you guys. Oh, very good work. Half fives. High fives, high fives, high fives, high fives. Awesome, good job, awesome. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and do some stretching. So make sure you have a nice wide open spot. Okay, so for the first stretch we're going to do, let's go ahead and sit down. Good, nice. Let's go ahead and have our feet together just like this. Okay, now when you guys stretch, you wanna make sure your knees aren't bent. They're locked out. Now, here's the thing. Some of you guys might go really far and touch your toes. Some of you guys may not. Some of you guys might be at your knees. That's totally okay. Just the biggest, the most important thing is that when you guys are doing these stretches, okay, you're doing the best that you can do. Okay, so don't try to compare yourself to anybody else. Don't worry about what everyone else is doing. You do your very best. Understand? You guys say yes, sir? Awesome, good. Okay, we're going to go down as far as we can. Okay, we're going to go ahead and count to 10 in Korean. Okay, try your best to keep up. Everyone say Hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job, and up. Good work. All right, go ahead and have your feet apart as wide as you can. Good, awesome. Now go ahead and go this way this time. All right, repeat after me. Say Hana, 둘, set, net, toss it. Good job. All right, going the other way this time. Good. And 하나, 둘, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, now down to the middle. Full 10 seconds. Ready? And repeat after me. 하나, 둘, set, net, toss it, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. All right, go and put your legs in for butterfly stretch. Good. Go and flap your wings. Flap your wings. Good. Nice. Then go ahead and go down. Ready? Repeat after me. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. And up. All right, we got one more stretch. I want you guys to go ahead, go on your stomach just like this. Good. Now pick yourself up. Upper body push up. So your knees are on the ground, your hips on the ground, and you're reaching up for the ceiling just like this, okay? Good work. All right, repeat after me. Say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, and 열. Very good. Nice, good job, you guys. Awesome. Good work. You guys give me a high five. Perfect, perfect. Good. Okay, now, before we leave class today, I have something to tell you guys. I want to ask you guys a question. What do you think is a goal? What's a goal? Okay? Now, here's what I have for you. I have a worksheet that you guys can download below this video. I want you guys to go ahead and come up with a goal. Okay, so I'll give you guys some examples. So let's say your goal is to get stronger, right? So let's say your goal is to get stronger. How do you get stronger? Well, you do push-ups, right? You do lots of push-ups, you get strong. Let's say your goal is to be more healthy, right? To be more healthy. That might be drinking water every day, right? So I want you guys to come up with a goal, work on it with your parents. I have a sheet down below you guys can fill out. Hope you guys have a great week. And, oh, what's that, Dojo? You got something for me? Dojo found a clue. Let's take a look. So what Dojo found was a pair of sharp fangs. What has sharp fangs? Well, maybe in the next lesson we'll discover what has sharp fangs. Maybe we'll get another clue as well. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Good work. See you later. Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.